Hi guys. Okay, in today's lesson, we're going to learn how to create a new sprite and let that object move left and right. Basically, we're going to make the boy now and we're going to make him move left and right. Okay, let's start by give this game a name. All right, let's start with by calling it Save My Eggs. Okay, and then we're going to come to the bottom right here and choose a sprite. Okay, the sprite that we're going to select today is called Dorian. Scroll down to D for Dorian, D-O-R-I-A-N here. He's the boy that's holding the basketball. Okay, select him. Okay, now on the bottom right again, select the cat, which we won't be using, and delete off the old sprite. Okay, cat is gone. Okay, now drag the boy Dorian to the bottom of the screen. Make sure his leg is just above the ground. Alright, great. Okay, we will start by using the block called when space key is pressed. Okay, so we're going to make the boy move to the right now. Right arrow. Okay, when right arrow is pressed, we want to make the boy move to the right. That's correct. Okay, so we go to motion and we're going to use the block called change X by 10. Okay, so let's give it a go. Click on the right arrow and click on the right arrow. Okay, does he move to the right? Okay, it's working. Okay, great. Okay, now let's duplicate this and we're going to make it move to the left. How do we do that? Alright, how do we do that? Let me show you. Okay, select this. When left arrow is clicked or pressed, change X by -10. Okay, this is actually the coordinates. Alright, so now let's move left. Instead, try the left arrow. Is he moving left? Great. Is he moving right? Great. Okay. Now we're going to do some animation. Okay, Dorian looks a bit weird holding the basketball. So click on Dorian and then click on his costumes. Okay. Once we're inside, notice that there are 4 different costumes. Second one is him with the rubbery arms, with the arms stretched out, and then with his legs bent in the 4th one. Okay, let's delete the first 2 because we won't be using the first 2. Alright, select the costume and click delete on the top right of the box. Okay, and then same as the rubbery hands, let's delete that off. We won't be using him. Okay, now select Dorian C and give it a name. We're going to change it to Dorian left because his head is facing left. Okay, we want to make one image for him when he's moving left and then another image when he's moving right. Okay, so right click on this and then select duplicate. Alright, we're going to change the name instead of left to right, Dorian right. And how we're going to do this is very simple. Click on the select the whole boy by dragging your cursor across the whole boy and then click on this flip horizontal button here. Okay, click once and there you go. He is looking on the right side now. Go back to your code. Okay, and then click on looks now. Okay, we're going to use this switch costume button. Drag that down, put it here. Okay, when we are clicking arrow right, we want him to face Dorian right. That's correct. And then when he is moving to the left, we want him to face Dorian left. Okay, let's give it a go. Does it work now? Yes, he's looking left when he's moving left. And he is looking right when he's moving right. Okay, great. So that's all for the first part of the lesson. Join me in the second part where we're going to add in the egg and the other parts to the program. Alright?